Today I have here with me the best projector on the market. It's the Agreago 357, GC357. But yeah, this is an amazing projector and I just got mine. So let's unbox this together. Let's see what's in the box. All right, let's open it. First of all, I like the case. It's amazing. The packaging is really nice. I hope it comes with a carrying case as well. If not, this box is really good. I'll work with it. So first thing is a small bag. What's in it? Okay, so this is the screen. First of all, pretty simple and straightforward. Love it. Is this styrofoam box. Oops. So the first thing here is the remote. I like this remote. It's very small and it does not seem to be too complicated. So we have volume up, volume down, F plus, F minus, on, input source, home, mute, back, menu, and there's a mouse later on. All right, this is a power cable, very straightforward. And this is the HDMI cable. I like the length. It's not too short, it's not too long, and the material feels good. And this right here seems to be an audio-visual cable. I guess we'll find out what's the purpose of this. And there's a screw in it as well, but wow, the packaging is very simple and the projector is not so bulky as I thought it would be. It seems to be very small and compact. Wow, so let's get this together now. Ooh, I like the finish. The white is pristine and it feels very sturdy. The connections are very simple as far as I see so far. Yeah, so that's it. That's the 360 view of it. Bring it a little closer. That's it. All right, so there seems to be a cover over the lens at the front, or lens cap, I guess. All right, so that's what comes into the box. So the box comes with a screen, comes with the projector, audio visual cables, HDMI, power cable. There's a remote here. And there are two more things in the box I didn't mention. And this seems to be a cleaning swab. I guess if your lens get dirty, you can clean it so it doesn't have any smudge or anything like that on it. And there's a manual right here. It's very important. So I'm going to spend some time and read this now, and then I'll show you guys the first use.